Hey there! First off, I've got myself a 3D view, which you can find right here. Next up, we're gonna need a floor plan. So let's set it at level 00, like that. And now we also need a section. So I'm gonna go here into the section button. I'm gonna set up a section right there. Let's extend the view range here. That should be enough. And now we can also right click on the section and go to view. Okay, now press WT in order to split your screen so you can see all of your 3 views. And as you can see, by generating the level 0, a level is generated automatically. Let's just get rid in our section view of our crop region visible and crop view. And to get a level, I'm just going to change the name of this one to level 1, like so. So if you want to add in more levels, you can either go into the architecture tab and then add them here. And I'm going to do just that. I'm just going to put it about around 3 meters, like that. Escape. Let's just stretch it out to match the other level. And now I want to add in another one. And in this case, I'm just going to copy the base one here to make sure it has the same distance, like so. Also, if I want to go underground, I can just click on the one above and then bring it down like so. So as we go into the 3D view here, we can see our different levels here for our project. So go into architecture, select grid, and in my case, I'm gonna bring it in. Actually, I want to bring it in like this here. Stretch it out. If you click on TW, you can then maximize this window so that we can get this one through. Gonna call this number 1. And now I'm going to copy, and in this case, I'm just gonna put them in at random because we don't know yet what our project's gonna be like. Of course, when you're working with a specific project, then you will have better guidelines, such as, for example, making sure that all of your grids align with structural elements. So now I'm going to do a CS for create similar, and I'm going to stretch it out on this side, and then I'm going to bring this over here. In this case, I want to name this A. You always want to make sure that you're using one direction for numbers, another direction for letters. And once again, I'm going to copy and paste like so. And if you ever want to make sure that they are perfectly aligned between each other, what I would usually recommend is to click here on measurements and then just select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, even though they have different measurements here, if you just click the equality icon here, then they will all be aligned accordingly. Okay, so now pressing WT again, we can now see all of our views, and you can see how the axes are now positioned, and now they can be moved and adjusted as required in either the section view or in the plan view. I hope you've liked this very simple tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back here in the next one.